Now imagine someone already knows they want to take a stock trading course. They're no longer searching what is the stock market. They're searching things like best stock trading courses for beginners, best online stock trading course, best technical analysis course. They're comparing. There's a completely different level of intent. And our long term goal is for Wall Street Trading Academy to become part of that conversation. But here's the important part. You don't just wake up tomorrow and declare yourself one of the best courses. We need credibility. We need real students. We need real feedback. We need testimonials. We need reviews. We need helpful content that other websites can reference. And over time, we can begin reaching out to relevant blogs, publications, comparison sites, and other places where people are researching which course they should choose. This is where things like backlinks, reviews, testimonials, and third party mentions become valuable. And I want you to manage your expectations here. This isn't necessarily a 1 week strategy. For the broader strategy, I'm thinking in terms of roughly 6 to 12 months. We need to actually build something worth recommending. So now we know where the sale can happen. We know what we eventually want happening during the decision stage. The next question becomes, how do we actually find the people who might eventually become customers? And that's where our keyword strategy comes in.